Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. We've got our 2018 Chevy Equinox. We're going to change out the engine air filter today. All you need is a 7 millimeter with an extension or a long Phillips head screwdriver. You just got to bolt on each corner of the air box. You can just pick it up, lift it up out of the way, take that old air filter out of there. And notice that when you put the new air filter in, there is a tab on the filter that has to go in a little cutout of the air box itself. So you got to get that lined up properly. Right there, I'll point it out. And just for reference, I did go back in and clear those feathers and debris out of that box, but just for time's sake, I put it all back together just so you could see. You do want to make sure that you get the airbox lined up correctly. That's what the adjusting is going on there. And if you are using an impact like this, remember these are metal screws going into a plastic housing, so be careful tightening these up. If you're using a screwdriver, simple tight, it's all good.